You might have seen the corny show intros that I made where we have a jingle, the guy singing our show intro, singing about me. Well, one thing you may not know is that entire thing, beginning to end, was created with AI. And I'd like to show you how we made it step by step so that you can create your own little jingle / commercial, including music, audio, all the stuff that you need to make it work. Here we go.
Mcintosh teaches AI non-stop. Success is his game, marketing's his fame. Mcintosh, the marketing ace, follow his lead to the winning place. With AI become a spin, join him now, learn to win. Learn his way, don't delay. If you do, you'll make your fortune today.
All right, so that was all created with AI. So the entire song, we wrote the lyrics using AI. We created the music with AI. We created the little animated guy on screen with AI. We did the captions at the bottom of the video with AI. The entire video was edited with AI tools, and it was all done pretty darn quickly. You know, in the past, if I was going to try to produce a professional version of that, I'd spend a lot of money, and it might take me weeks to get it all done. And it was done in a flash. So let me show you how we did it. So first, we started out with a tool that I've been showcasing called Suno. And that is what we use to create the music track and the vocals, okay? But before we used Suno to create that, I had to get the lyrics written. And for that, I just opened up Chat GPT, and it was really quite simple. In fact, we can try writing some lyrics together. So you come right over here to Chat GPT and you just tell it, you are an expert songwriter and Grammy-winning producer. Please write me a short song lyric about a dog named Roxy, who is half Beanie Dog and half Chihuahua. So we're gonna have it write a song. And obviously you're not gonna write a song about my dog, but you'll write yours about your business, right? And so we do that, there we go. You might have to try a couple of different passes to get the entire thing. But surprisingly, ChatGPT is pretty darn good at writing song lyrics. Okay, so obviously substitute my dog for your business. Let's try this again. We'll make a new chat and we'll come over here and we'll say, please write me a short lyric about surviving a natural disaster because you followed the training on Die Hard. We used to sell a survivalist course on that site, so we have a lyric now to promote our business. Okay, so it's a whole song about the world coming to a disaster. There we go. Guided by lessons, I found my way through the storms, the light of day. Yeah, some of them are kind of corny, but that's okay. So that is how I got my lyrics to that song. I just went to Chat GPT and I said, hey, write a song about a guy named Bill Mcintosh who teaches AI marketing techniques. And I let it go. And I played around with it. I think 2 or 3 versions of lyrics. I made a couple of little tweaks. And even if you have lines you don't like, you can even tell Chat GPT, can you rewrite it and change this line? And it'll just, boom, rewrite the line and redo the song. And we use Suno to actually get the performance. It's a simple prompt and you just put your lyrics in. You hit a button, that's it. And Suno is something that is available through Discord. So you can check the link in the description to learn more about how to get access to Suno, but you need to have access to the Suno server on Discord. Just you give it the lyrics, you hit a button, and it's gonna spit back a song. And you'll find what'll end up happening is it'll give you back a song in different genres. So you might get a rap song, and then you do it again. You might get a country song, you do it again. You might get a heavy metal song, and you have to keep submitting it until you find one that you really like. I think we submitted it maybe 6 times, 7 times, And we got that one that I wanted it to be a little bit of a corny song, a little cheesy, and I thought that fit nicely. So then once we had the lyrics and I could hear what the sounds sounded like, take it and try to come up with a character. And in fact, if you're struggling with the creativity, you can even talk to Chat GPT and describe the mood of the song, the topic of the song, and ask it for who could be a funny character that could sing that music. And it will give you examples. You can ask it for like 10 ideas, and it'll give you 10 ideas. But for me, I had the idea right away. I imagine an old-timey guy on a stage singing that song. And so then I just went over to Midjourney, asked it for an old-timey guy smiling on a stage in front of a microphone. And then I got my image. So then we got the image that came back out of that, and then using that image. So now I've got my music with the singer, I've got my image, and then I'm going to use a tool like DID. So you go to DID, upload your image, upload your audio, boom, you're in business. So it'll then immediately output the song. In fact, let me pull up DID, I'll show you the project. Just get it loaded up. There we go. So here we are, and you can see a few different versions that we've made. So I started out with a square one, which is this guy, this one here.
Mcintosh teaches AI non-stop. Success is his game.
So I realized that I didn't like the square one, so I went back to Midjourney and I actually told Midjourney to output it in landscape format, not square. And then that's when I got this one.
Mcintosh teaches AI non-stop. Success is his game. Marketing's his fame.
So from here, we threw it into CapCut. If you're not familiar with CapCut, you could also use Runway ML for this. There you see it here. And it automatically did the captions for me. And then I hit export here to save my video, and I was done. So the other thing you could do, you noticed in the full version, we have a little countdown at the beginning and a little kind of like funny TV animation. You can throw those in easily using a tool like Runway ML. So there you go. If you want all of the steps, I know I kind of went a little bit fast in the video. I will be posting this in the members area. So anybody who is a channel member, a channel subscriber, or a customer of pushbutton.ai will get all the resources, the detailed instructions, the prompts, and everything you need to pull that off. And we'll be putting that in your members area. So that's how we created the official channel live show intro. If you're not yet a member of Pushbutton AI, then what are you doing? So I would like to invite you to a free masterclass. We're going to be covering in detail how to create an entire digital online course, an entire business, in fact, that can be set up 100% using AI. And if you'd like to attend that free masterclass, what you're going to want to do is head over right now to pushbutton.ai/free class. In that class, I'm going to show you how we can help two different kinds of people. Number one, if you've got a business and you want to add training, courses, or information to your existing business as a new profit center, or maybe a way to add value to your customers, then I'm going to show you how to do a detailed 10-module training course, including 50 to 60,000 words of content, have it set up and built for you by AI. Also, if you're trying to start your first business online and you're looking for a great business model to make some money online, then Pushbutton AI is the right solution. And I'll show you how you can use this amazing tool to build an entire business like that. In a snap, Pushbutton AI will build an entire course for you, create video training, audio training, write your sales page for you, write 30 days of emails for you, create your logo, build your website, set up your shopping cart, set the entire thing up, create a members area so that people can pay you to get access to the course, and you get to charge money and keep all the profits. It's quite easy. You answer 2 questions and you hit a button and it literally does everything for you. A logo, a 30-day email sequence, your sales pages for selling your product. It creates the entire training course that you can charge money for. It installs your website, sets up your hosting, launches your site. It even helps you pick the perfect domain name, all powered by AI. You just literally log in and start up your brand new business. So attend the free masterclass. I'll show you a live demo of how it works. I'll explain the entire business model so you can see exactly how does it work and how do you profit. That's pushbutton.ai/free class. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. You'll see it down below the video down there somewhere. Hit subscribe, hit the like button. It actually will make sure that you're notified next time that we go live. We release content all throughout the week, by the way, so we have videos on additional strategies and tactics we'll be dropping to you all week long. Check out all of our useful content. Head over to pushbutton.ai/free class if you're not yet a customer. Every paying customer, we're going to be taking today's training. We'll take all the prompts, all the resources, everything that you need to use it, and we're going to put it in your paid members area. So you'll see it in your AI profits course inside your members area. On that note, I'll see you there. Bye for now.